Hello, so this is a video showing you how to copy an array using C programming language. And first thing we want to do is include stdio as always. Then next we're going to do int main, and then we will declare a variable which will be int I, and also we will create two arrays. We'll create an array with some values. So that's an array of integers, int array 1, and we'll allow for 9 elements, and we'll populate that with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remember the semicolon, and then we do int array 2, and that will just be an empty array at the moment. And then what we need to do next is do a for loop, and we need to iterate through array 1, and for each element in array 1 we want to copy that into array 2. So that needs to look like this. With a for loop we'll say for I equals 1 to I is less than 10, I plus plus, and then what we will do is we will say array 2 element I equals array 1 element I, and we'll print them at the same time as well because we want to just see that what we're doing is working. So then we will just do quotes percentage d end quotes comma, and then I, and then we will close the inner curly braces and then the outer curly braces, and you can see Vim knows that they go in pairs. If we quit this and then clear the screen, GCC, you can use CLang if you like, they both do the same job. GCC, and then the name of the file, which was copy-array.c, and if we don't specify it, we'll just compile it with a out. There we go. So if I now just run a.out, and then you see what it's actually done is copied it, and it's now printing array 2. So we could make that a little bit more I was going to say intelligent. We could make it a little bit more verbose, shall we say. So actually what I was doing there was that's wrong anyway. I should be printing array 2 either. Hopefully some of you spotted that mistake. Let's compile it again, run it again. Now what have we got? So we've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we've got 3, 2, 7, 6, 7, because that has gone past the end of the array. So we've done that wrong. What we need to do is we need to say for array equals 0, for I equals 0 up to, then we will get 1 and we won't get the 3, 2, 7, 6, 7 on the end. So let's just compile that again. Sorry about this. GCC copy-array.c, run it, and we've still got one too many on the end. So we've got the start right now, but we've still got the 3, 2, 7, 6, 5. So you see what's happening? We've got 1 to 9, but it's still going up one too many at the end. So let's change that. And what we need to do is just say from 0 up to 9. So 0 up to 9, increment by 1. And yeah, and if I do and a dot out, it'll compile it and then run it. There we go. So that's the correct solution. Slight incompetence on my part at the start, but hopefully you've seen how to do it. So let's just put in some notes. How to copy an array in C. Hopefully, it's not even a word, is it? Hopefully you've liked this video, and if you like them, give me a thumbs up. This is kind of my part-time channel, my spare channel. I do kind of basic C programming here just to keep my hand in, so to speak, and gradually chip away at learning more C. But I tend to go periods where I don't do any, so then I get a bit rusty, so I have to come back and do more videos or do more programming. And then whilst I'm at it, I think, well, I may as well do a video just and share it with anybody else who's kind of at a similar level. So if this is too simple or too difficult, then add a comment and I will see if I can adjust the skill level. I can't go too high on a skill level because I don't have high skills on C. If you want to watch my Python 360 channel, then that's a good channel, and I would think it's safe to say I'm more skilled in Python than I am in C, but C is fun and it's just nice and different to Python, and yeah, it's obviously compiled language rather than interpreted, so yeah, pros and cons, but it's interesting. And yeah, one other thing is check out Barry Brown. He's a professor from United States, and if you want to learn about C programming, then check out his videos because they are excellent. I don't think you'll find much better if you're trying to learn C. So thanks for watching, and see you again next time.